Welcome, motorsport fans. Today, we're diving into the thrilling 2009 FIA GT Championship, one of the most pivotal seasons in GT racing history. Buckle up as we break down the key moments, legendary drivers, and the seismic shift that changed the future of the series. The 2009 FIA GT Championship was the 13th and final season under the FIA, before transitioning into the FIA GT1 World Championship in 2010. This season marked the end of an era and was packed with action across 8 races held in Europe and the Middle East. Leading the charge were the GT1 and GT2 classes, featuring powerhouse manufacturers like Maserati, Corvette, Aston Martin, and Ferrari. The season kicked off in Silverstone, where the iconic Tourist Trophy was up for grabs. But the real story of the season was the dominance of Vodafone Racing Team, with their Maserati MC12 proving to be nearly unstoppable. Their star duo, Michael Bartels and Andrea Bertolini, clinched the GT1 Drivers' Championship after consistently delivering top performances. In the GT2 class, it was Ferrari's year. AF Corse's Gianmaria Bruni and Tony Valander secured the title with their Ferrari F430 GT2, overcoming strong challenges from Porsche and other competitors. Beyond the racing, the 2009 season was also significant for another reason. It was the last under the FIA GT Championship format before the GT1 World Championship revamp in 2010. This meant a shift towards a more global sprint race format with standardized regulations, making 2009 the end of a long-standing endurance-focused competition. So what did 2009 teach us? It was a season of dominance for Maserati and Ferrari, a farewell to endurance-style GT1 racing, and the dawn of a new era in GT motorsport. The legacy of this season still echoes in today's GT championships, shaping how we see sports car racing today. If you enjoyed this breakdown, hit that like button, subscribe for more motorsport history, and let me know in the comments. What's your favorite moment from GT racing history? Thanks for watching and see you next time.